Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs. Have you ever wondered what it takes to build $1 million business from scratch? Well, today, I'm sharing my journey of how I did just that in 12 months. Buckle up because this ride is going to be exciting. Alright, let's dive in. Step 1, I started with a solid idea. It's crucial to find a niche that you're passionate about and that solves a real problem. For me, it was creating an online platform for personal development courses. I saw a gap in the market and decided to fill it. Step 2, I validated my idea. I didn't just assume people would love it. I conducted surveys, talked to potential customers, and built a minimum viable product. Feedback is gold. Use it to refine your product. Step 3, I built a strong brand. Your brand is your identity. I invested in a professional logo, a sleek website, and consistent messaging across all platforms. Make sure your brand resonates with your target audience. Step 4, I leveraged social media. Social media is a powerful tool. I created valuable content and engaged with my audience regularly. Consistency is key. Don't just post and ghost. Build relationships. Step 5, I focused on SEO and content marketing. I wrote blog posts, created videos, and optimized everything for search engines. This drove organic traffic to my site and helped build authority in my niche. Step 6, I built an email list. Emails are a direct line to your audience. I offered free resources in exchange for email addresses. Then I nurtured those leads with valuable content and promotions. Step 7, I networked like crazy. I attended industry events, joined online communities, and collaborated with influencers. Networking opens doors and creates opportunities. Don't underestimate the power of a good connection. Step 8, I didn't shy away from paid advertising. I invested in Facebook ads, Google ads, and influencer partnerships. Paid ads can give you the boost you need to reach a wider audience quickly. Step 9, I tracked my progress. I used analytics tools to monitor my website traffic, conversion rates, and sales. This data helped me make informed decisions and adjust my strategies accordingly. Step 10, I hired a small but mighty team. You can't do it all alone. I brought on board people who shared my vision and complemented my skills. Together, we achieved more than I ever could on my own. Step 11, I focused on customer experience. Happy customers are your best marketing tool. I provided top-notch support and listened to feedback. A great experience turns customers into loyal advocates. And finally, step 12, I stayed adaptable. The business world is always changing. I embraced flexibility and stayed open to new ideas and opportunities. Adaptability is the key to long-term success. And there you have it. My 12-month journey to building a $1 million business. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Stay persistent, keep learning, and never give up on your dreams. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more entrepreneurial tips and inspiration. See you next time.